Buffer overflow. Buffer overflow is one of the most dangerous art of exploit on internet, which most of the hackers prefer to break into other systems. By this art, an attacker can gain root or admin level privileges of remote system. Buffer overflow mainly exists due to bad programming and poor memory management by application developer. So buffer overflow is defined as an art of exploitation used by attackers to gain remote system. As all we know, every system on the internet runs some of the required application or daemons. These daemons open a particular port so that it can communicate with other systems. For example, email client open port number 25 for email transferring. If this email client possesses any sort of vulnerabilities due to poor programming, then attackers inject malicious code in it by sending them as arguments. Later attackers execute these malicious code and gain remote system. The application running on them will have certain privileges. They will have capability to access certain parts of system resources. So attackers exploit the vulnerable applications and gain access to the remote system by standing in the place of exploited application. This is what exactly happened in buffer overflow. There are different types of buffer overflows: stack overflow, format string overflow, heap overflow, integer overflow. Stack overflow. Stack overflows are classic type of buffer overflows. Whenever an application calls a function, a particular activation record is created on the stack. Each activation record will have a return point for next function. If an attacker is able to manipulate the return point as malicious code, then the buffer overflow takes place. Format string overflow. Format string is the common flaw present in the most of web applications, daemons, and platform on internet. If the programmer does not give exact defined format argument, then the application won't know what to execute when unknown format is given as input and undergoes buffer overflow. Heap overflow. A heap overflow is a type of buffer overflow that occurs in the heap data area. A heap overflow may be introduced accidentally by an application programmer, or it may result from a deliberate exploit. The overflow occurs when an application copies more data into a buffer than the buffer was designed to contain. Integer overflow. An integer overflow occurs when an arithmetic operation attempts to create a numeric value larger than available storage space. It is commonly present in the applications developed in C and low-level languages, also possible in bad programming of higher languages. Countermeasures. The countermeasures to a buffer overflow are as follows. Perform manual auditing of the code. Stack execution should be disabled. Take the support of the function, which are not the case of the buffer overflow. Take compiler support. For example, Java automatically check if an array index is within the proper bound. Use compilers such as Java instead of C to avoid buffer overflow attacks. These are some of the best countermeasures for buffer overflow attack.